Today I'll be unboxing my Happrun Projector. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for gifting me this product so I could go ahead and give my full and honest review. As you can see, everything that you need is included in this little box. You have your power cord, your remote control, an HDMI cable, RCA cables, little microfiber cloth, your instruction manual. Okay, so now let's take a look at our projector. As you can see up top here, you do have your controls. So you have arrows going up, side, down to the other side. You have the OK. You have your power right there. On the back of your projector, you also have other functions. You have 2 outlets for the HDMI. You have 2 for the USB. You have your AV and your headphones. As you can see, it has these little legs for the projector. On the side here is where you'll plug in your power cord. And this is the front of the projector. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this projector a try.
Come any closer and I will eat my dudes. The salmon run is transforming the falls into a battleground of strategic eating. The true victors are...
Overall, the colors on this projector were very vibrant. Absolutely love that there's a speaker within the projector itself, and I would definitely recommend.